The Executive Committee and Steering Committee met for the second time. Objective was to streamline the activities of the Kadayawan Festival, as also directed by Mayor Sara. Napoy directive si Vice Mayor Paulo mahin sa activities na buhaton nato sa city center. So, yung mga modern activities like home party and EDM are really discouraged. In fact, are not allowed within the city center limits. No? So, Pedro, CM Recto, no? Even all these city streets, ang mga atong buhatong mga activity would just be focused on the Lumans and Muslim brothers and sisters. So, medyo cultural center ang hitabo sa city center. So, ang advice po sa ni Mayor Sara is to make sure that the focus will be given only on major activities. So, nag-decide it's going to be April 19, Indigenous Peoples Day. All of the activities that day, Subang Sinugdana, no? The Fluvial Parade, Panagtagbo, and Hiyasa Kadayawan. Saturday, Indak-Indak, and Sunday will be the Floral Float Parade or Pamulak competition. Ending the day, then the week with the Pahalipay, no? Concert nila sa City Governor para sa mga kapawenyo mga bisita. So, those are the latest. By this week, mahibawan nato kung ilang yun ang atong i-set na budget, no? Kaya na nabawasan na rin yung ating mga activities. So, the budget will also be lower.
Aside from the President, isa ito ma-expected ng mga maabot?
Well, we still have to really ascertain this week. We will have our ExCom and SteerCom meetings scheduled every Wednesday and Friday. Kaya murag tulo na lang kasi mana, no? And major decisions ang instruction nato sa SteerCom is to make major decisions on a daily basis para pag midweek, Wednesday or Friday na bago na ma-implement na tanan. So by end of this week, all of the details na kinahanglan to implement the Kadayawan will be finished. So para the following week will be focused on promotions, publicity, na magsugod po this week, no? It's under the City Information Office, under the office of Mr. Tupas. So ang atong instruction po sa sharing of information will rely on social media. Kay more limited yung time. No? So the more people share information about Kadayawan, the better it is going to be.
Daga na yung tao expected mo about